Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing the failure. Look for cracks, delamination, and crushed fibers, then mark the repair zone. Once done, measure length, width, and depth so you order correct fabric and resin. 0. 5 mm tolerance matters for surface fills. Remove paint and contaminants with a solvent, then lightly sand feather edges to solid laminate. Make sure to organize epoxy, hardener, compatible carbon fabric, mixing cups, and peel ply so your first patch goes down without delay. You cut fabric to size and test fit. Align fibers with load paths and alternate orientations for strength. Once ready, mix epoxy and hardener precisely, follow the ratio and stir slowly to reduce bubbles. Then wet the first layer on the substrate, place fabric, and squeegee out excess resin. Repeat for each layer until desired thickness is reached. Once layered, apply peel ply with mild pressure to evacuate resin. This ensures compacted fibers and a clean finish for later sanding and trimming. You allow the repair to cure under specified temperature and time. Use blankets or a convection oven for consistent heat. This changes epoxy from sticky to structural. Once cured, remove peel ply, trim overhang, and sand to fair the contour. Use microfill for small voids and sand smooth. Finally, inspect visually and perform a tap test to check for delamination. If you detect hollow areas, stop, reopen the layer, inject resin, and recure. This corrective step saves long-term strength and prevents propagation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.